This is the second part of the video to show how to use a formula for the conditional logic. We already created the dessert order form in the first part. Now, let's add the conditional logic to show the checkbox to add one more order when the user chooses the dessert. The drop-down multiple choice of the desserts returns an array of the indexes of the selected desserts. We evaluate the indexes and show the corresponding checkbox to add one more order. Click the Add One More Ice Cream cone. If you accidentally click the checkbox, click the Erase Initial Value button on the checkbox's toolbar to remove the tick on the checkbox. Click the Edit Conditional Formula button on the checkbox's toolbar. A conditional logic formula must return 1 to show the element and 0 to hide the element. We use Excel function if for the conditional logic. The first parameter of if function is the conditional check that should return true or false. The function returns the second parameter when the condition is true, and the third parameter when it's false. Enter into the formula input box. If is an array, index of question 1, the value is 1, otherwise the value is 0. The index of the ice cream cone choice is 1. Let's copy this formula, so we can use for the rest of the conditional logic with a minor change. Highlight the formula and press Ctrl+C, or Command+C in a Mac OS. Click Apply. Repeat the steps for the rest of the checkbox input fields. For each of the Add One More checkboxes, use the corresponding choice index of the selection in question 1. The index for shaved ice is 2, strawberry cake is 3, and chocolate custard is 4.